we're familiar with the idea already, aren't we, that exercise is really good for our physical health, whether it's our body composition, our weight. But have we understood enough that exercise is just as powerful for our mental health as it is for our physical health?
So I think there's a few key research papers which provide good data. One is which we published in the American Journal of Psychiatry in 2018. It was led by Professor Felipe Schuch, who's a professor of physical activity in Brazil. And essentially we did something really, really simple, is we wanted to look at everything that had ever been published on how active people are in their daily lives and the risk or odds of developing depression in the future. And we followed those 260,000 people who are free from depression or any adverse mental health or well-being at baseline, followed them for an average of 7.5 years, and we found that people who were most active compared to the least active were around 15% less likely to develop depression in the future. But the most potent effect was when people were meeting recommended government guidelines of, say, 30 minutes 5 times a week or 150 minutes over the course of a week. And there's around a 30% reduced risk or odds of developing depression in the future. So longitudinally... 30% reduced risk or odds in the future. So we've been able to... So we're following people free from depression at baseline, following them over time. So we've prospectively or over time shown there is a direction, a relationship between being more active and reduced risk or odds of depression in the future.
So that's predictive in the sense that if someone's listening to this now and goes, okay, what does that mean for me? If they currently do not have a mental health diagnosis, and they're feeling pretty good, they're feeling okay, but let's say they're worried about the growing rates of mental health problems, or they have a family member, let's say, that particular paper is suggesting for them is that if they meet those government guidelines of activity, they are 30% less likely to develop depression at some point in the future.